In today's fast-paced work environment, mindful munches are essential for maintaining energy and focus. Healthy snacking not only fuels your body, but also enhances productivity by keeping your mind sharp. When you choose nutritious options, you're not just satisfying hunger, you're also improving your mood and cognitive function. Surprisingly, mindful eating can lead to better decision-making and creativity throughout your day. So let's explore how incorporating mindful munches into your work routine can transform your productivity and overall well-being. The importance of mindfulness in snacking. Mindfulness, in the context of eating, means being fully present and aware of what you consume. This practice encourages you to savor each bite, leading to improved food choices and a deeper connection with your meals. By focusing on the flavors, textures, and nutritional value of your snacks, you can make healthier decisions that benefit your body and mind. So, take a moment during snack time to engage your senses and appreciate your food, promoting better health and overall well-being. Snack number 1. Almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins. These little nuts can help keep you full and satisfied, making them an excellent choice for a midday snack. A typical portion size is about a handful, or roughly 23 almonds, which is perfect for mindful eating. To incorporate almonds into your busy workday, try keeping a small container at your desk or adding them to your morning yogurt or oatmeal for an extra crunch and nutrition boost. Snack number 2, Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt with berries is a delicious and nutritious snack that packs a powerful punch. Rich in protein, Greek yogurt supports muscle health and keeps you feeling full longer, while probiotics promote gut health. Adding berries not only enhances the flavor, but also provides antioxidants that help combat inflammation and boost your immune system. To prepare this snack quickly at work, simply grab a single-serve container of Greek yogurt and top it with fresh or frozen berries for a satisfying treat in minutes. Snack number 3, hummus and veggies. Hummus paired with fresh vegetables makes for a crunchy and satisfying snack that's both nutritious and delicious. Hummus is rich in plant-based protein and healthy fats, while fiber-rich veggies like carrots, cucumbers and bell peppers support digestion and keep you feeling full. Don't hesitate to experiment with different vegetable options to find your favorites. For convenience, consider meal prepping by portioning hummus into small containers and chopping a variety of veggies at the beginning of the week, making healthy snacking effortless. Snack number 4, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only a satisfying treat, but also a healthy indulgence when enjoyed mindfully. Packed with antioxidants, it can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. However, moderation is key. Aim for a small portion, such as 1 ounce, to fully enjoy its benefits without overindulging. When selecting dark chocolate, choose varieties with at least 70% cocoa content to maximize the health benefits. This way, you can indulge in a rich flavor while nourishing your body at the same time. Snack number 5, popcorn. Air-popped popcorn is a light and healthy snack option that offers the benefits of whole grains. It's high in fiber, which can aid digestion and keep you feeling satisfied. To enhance the flavor without compromising health, consider seasoning your popcorn with nutritional yeast, garlic powder, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. These options add taste without the extra calories. Remember to avoid excessive butter and salt, as they can turn this nutritious snack into an unhealthy choice. Enjoy popcorn as a guilt-free treat. Snack number 6, apple slices with nut butter. Apple slices paired with nut butter create a sweet and satisfying snack that's both nutritious and delicious. Apples are high in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full, while nut butter provides healthy fats and protein for sustained energy. For variety, try different nut butter options, like almond, peanut, or cashew butter, to find your favorite flavor combination. To make this snack even more convenient, prepare apple slices in advance and store them in an airtight container for easy access throughout the week. Snack number 7, trail mix. Trail mix is a customizable and energy-boosting snack that's perfect for any time of day. You can create your own blend by combining your favorite nuts, seeds and dried fruits, allowing for endless flavor combinations. However, it's important to practice portion control as trail mix can be calorie-dense. A good serving size is about a quarter cup to keep your snacking in check. The convenience of trail mix makes it an ideal on-the-go option, easily fitting into your bag for a quick energy boost whenever you need it. Snack number 8. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese with pineapple is a protein-packed snack that's both nutritious and delicious. Rich in protein, cottage cheese supports muscle repair and keeps you feeling full longer, while its calcium content promotes strong bones. The natural sweetness of pineapple adds a refreshing contrast, making this combination a delightful treat. This snack is perfect for a mid-afternoon boost, providing the energy you need to power through the rest of your day. Enjoy it as a quick and satisfying option that's easy to prepare. Snack number 9. Rice cakes with avocado. Rice cakes topped with avocado have become a trendy snack that's both delicious and nutritious. Avocado is packed with healthy fats, which are essential for heart health and can help keep you feeling satisfied. To enhance the flavor, consider adding a sprinkle of sea salt, red pepper flakes, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze. For variety, encourage viewers to experiment with different toppings like sliced tomatoes, radishes, or even a poached egg. This versatile snack is perfect for any time of day. Snack number 10. Chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a nutritious and filling snack that's easy to prepare and packed with health benefits. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein, making them a great choice for supporting heart health and digestion. To make chia seed pudding, simply mix chia seeds with your choice of milk and let it sit overnight in the fridge. Encourage viewers to experiment with flavors by adding vanilla, cocoa powder or fresh fruit, and try various toppings like nuts or granola for added texture. In this video, we explored 10 healthy snacks that can enhance your workday, including almonds, Greek yogurt with berries, hummus and veggies, dark chocolate popcorn apple slices with nut butter trail mix, cottage cheese with pineapple rice cakes with avocado and chia seed pudding. Each snack offers unique benefits, from boosting energy to providing essential nutrients. We encourage you to incorporate these delicious options into your daily routine. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more healthy snacking ideas.